gonna do my part and make this a positively beautiful day. Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Day. Are you guys excited today? I am. Do you see this hair? I'm absolutely loving it. It is great for the summer, and if you're interested on the details and how I got this hair looking like this, please stay tuned and let's get into the video. Alright you guys saw me style the wig, so now I am about to apply the wig. I'm going to do the same old, the same products, so let's get started. To show you guys the inside of the wig, it is actually a T-part in the inside. As you guys can see, it has the two combs on the side, and it also has the adjustable straps. So you guys see the inside. If I find this wig, it would definitely be in the description box, but I hope you guys can see this. So let's put it on. This color is so pretty, and I was on live with my followers and they was like, do a side part. So this is what you see here. So I'm gonna comb it out. If you don't even want to glue the edges down, you don't even have to. I'm gonna let you guys see the back. So now I'm going to use the elastic band so I can gel this bad boy down. So now I'm going to wait about 10 to 15 minutes, let this gel down, and I'll be back to do the baby hairs. Once again, the lace in the front is like this little. I couldn't pluck, I couldn't do much, but even though it's like bigger baby hairs, that's the look that I was going for. But I think I actually like this look. I think I actually like it. And this is great for summer. It's like a bit of color, a little edge, but still classy, in my opinion. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the way I did my baby hairs. I did it in more like a dramatic look. I'm going to show you the back. This is like a long bob, and it's actually longer on one side than the other. It has the nice colors. Once again, the lace in the front was really thin, so I couldn't do much plucking, but I did the best that I can to make it look the way I like. This wig is not big head friendly, but it's great for the summer. I love the color. You could be anywhere in the world watching anyone, but you are here watching me, and I greatly appreciate it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on what you think of this hair. Do you like the short styles that I'm doing, or do you like the longer? Tell me what you want to see on my channel. Okay. Peace, love, and happiness to you, darling. Yes. Bye.